sim fans. If you're watching this video, this flight is going to be a flight where we're going to test the ability of this airplane to stall. I'll be doing two maneuvers. One is a straightforward stall, and the second is going to be an accelerated stall. As we do those stalls, I will be talking to you what I'm doing and how I'm recovering. Now, this is not instructing you on how to do these stalls and to recover. I'm not an instructor. These are very serious stalls that need to be learned and taught by an instructor. Recovering off these stalls are very important, not to lose control of the aircraft. Don't be afraid of them. As a pilot, you should be afraid of stalls, and you will not be afraid if you know how to do them. Okay, here we're going to take off. We're going to cruise up to 5,000 feet, and then we're going to clear the area, and then we'll proceed with our stalls. I'll kind of explain to you what I'm doing on a step-by-step basis. Well, that went well. That is the first time I flew this in the simulator. Sorry. It was a little bit difficult to control. I don't have rudder pedals, just the yoke. And you kept everything on control with just using the yoke, and that's not good. You have a lot of torque in this airplane, and because of that, it wants to shift to one side. So I'm going to try it again and see what happens. Boy, this flight simulator of this aircraft is very sensitive. Gotta be really easy on this yoke. And I mean, very easy. I'm starting to get used to it now. But in the beginning it was difficult. But here we go. It's stabilized now, so we're good. We're going to continue climbing to 5,000 feet. And then we'll practice our maneuvers. Okay, we have reached our 5,000 feet. Try to be stabilized at 5,000, but because the yoke is so sensitive, you can see that I'm unable to, at the moment, stabilize it and trim it for 5,000. I'm working on it, and what we're going to do, a good practice of that stability to keep maintain your altitude and your bank angle at the same time you're looking out for traffic out the window. Not an easy skill to acquire unless you do it often. Now, what I'm doing now is check the altimeter. No, I'm high, and I'm adding trim. Get myself a little lower, but not too much because of sensitivity. Now I'll let go the yoke, and you can see that the nose is dropping, so I have to raise it with trim until it's stabilized. And it's very sensitive, and right about there is what I can do, but I'm above 5,000, so I need to climb or descend to see how, look at how it drops. But we'll descend slowly until we get to 5,000, and then we'll do our clearing turn. Now the second thing you have to look at is your compass. We're at the west heading, so we'll try to maintain west, and it still wants to climb, so I have to still trim it. Come on down. Give me a moment to stabilize this aircraft. Okay, that's close enough. All right. Okay, we're going to start clearing turn. I'm going to turn to the left at 15 degrees, and then we're going to go. It's a totally 360 turn. Look over the horizon. There's no traffic inside. Then we're going to go make a right turn 360 degrees and back on west course. I haven't done this for a while, so let's see how well I do. Keep it at 5,000 and start at W west and then end at west. Left and then right. Okay. This was good to start off with, and it just flopped all over the place. Let me try something here. Okay, I want to see how sensitive this airplane is. It's an aerobatic aircraft with performance and air show, so it has to be sensitive, snap rolls and all that, but not for this purpose. Well, I just need to get used to this simulator airplane, though, and the more you fly it, the more you'll get accustomed to its sensitivity. Okay, I did a clearing turn. I'm gonna do one. I want to do 360 left. That's all I'm gonna do. Now, I'm gonna perform a stall. It's straight, and I'm gonna try to keep the nose of the airplane straight. Don't make it. Keep it from turning left and right. That means you have to apply rudder left and right in small increments to keep the nose straight, prevent from wing from flipping over to the left or right. So here we go. We'll give it a shot. We'll turn the power back all the way back until the airplane stalls, and it'll go from there. We'll try to keep 5,000 feet, but if not, that's okay. Here we go. The stall speed is below 60. You see where the green arc is the lower green. That's the stall speed. I'll try and maintain west, but right now I'm focusing on going a straight stall. This airplane is forgiving. You can really mush it as you fly along at 60 miles an hour, just above the stall speed. And it feels like it. See how it bounces around. Just a little bit more pull back on the yoke. And you notice the altimeter that we are dropping. We are in the stall. And notice how we are going straight ahead and we're stalling. That's a straight stall. An easy way to recover from stall is just let the yoke down, increase the speed above 60, and then you can fly to the next power. Then you have power. See? Were you afraid? I bet you were. You're frightened. First I've been doing a real airplane. I'll guarantee you it's quite a adventure. Alright, so that's the straight ahead stall and how to recover. Again, I'm not an instructor. I'm not teaching this. I'm just do this for practice. When you're a pilot, you try to stay current on your stall activities so you don't become rusty. Alright, now I got the airplane at 4,000, which is okay. We'll keep it there. I'll do a left turn and then accelerate stall. And what you do is pull back on the sticks and crank it, and it will look like I'm really turning hard fast. But if you go too far, you will stall the wings and it will react. And then you release pressure on the yoke and it will come out of the stall. So here it goes. This airplane is amazing. Very difficult for it to stall on the steep turn because it's designed that. And I was unable to stall it on a steep turn. Incredible. But that's what you do. You'll do it in a small aircraft, like a Cessna 150, or 72, or a small aircraft. So anyway, that's it for now, and just a little bit of adventure here for you folks of what you do, how we get trained for flying, and what's involved. This is a very, very, very small part of learning, getting a student pilot's license, and then into a private pilot. And I'm still stabilizing this airplane. Interesting. I like stability. So this is too high performance for me. Alright. Let me just say this. I close it for now. Thanks for watching. And until next time.